From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
And good morning. It's Football Friday. That's right, baby. We've got that game day forecast coming up here in just a few minutes. Plus, your extended, of course, 7-day forecast. But first things first, did you actually happen to get a view of the Northern Lights last night? This is the view from my house. Cool that you can see the stars and a little bit of glow. I didn't see the color that some of you saw, but definitely a cool view. And I'm so glad that I was able to actually enjoy this time. Hey, by the way, this morning we're starting off with temperatures in the 40s and 50s. It's a chilly start to the day for sure. So grab the jackets and the sweatshirts if you have outdoor plans, but even colder weather is on the way as we get into next week. So temperature-wise, 40s and 50s this morning. Lunchtime temperatures will climb into the 60s, so it's going to be a really nice lunch hour. Sunny in 64, 63. It's going to feel great in the direct sunlight. A little bit of a cool feel to the air if you're in the shade. And then forecast highs will be in the low, mid, and upper 70s. So pretty similar to what we had yesterday, although we are trending a little bit cooler here this morning than what we were yesterday as well. Evening forecasts, we're going to be right around 71 degrees by 6, 67 by 8, and by 63, I should say, by 8 o'clock here tonight. So a nice evening. If you have any Friday night plans, great night for a Friday night fire pit. Low temperatures, by the way, tonight dip down into the 40s, so similar to this morning. A little bit warmer, I think, on Saturday morning. And through the day, we're going to see those temperatures climb into the mid-60s by the lunch hour. So let's go ahead and pick up that football forecast here. UT versus Florida, that's right. Sorry, Florida. I got to go on this side. It is what it is, huh? All right, as we get into the game time hour for any of the tailgaters, it's going to be pleasant. It's going to be perfect tailgating football weather. Kickoff, we're going to be sitting right about 68 degrees. Sun goes down, and temperatures will fall into the upper 50s by the end of the game. So probably a good idea to take those UT sweatshirts and jackets because towards the end of the game, it's definitely going to be on the chillier side. And then as we get into our Saturday afternoon, temperatures will climb into the mid to upper 70s. So highs will be in the 70s, but during the football game, temperatures will come on down. All right, high pressure is the name of the game. It is shifting to our south as we head through the next couple of days because a trough is going to be heading our way, and that trough is going to usher in a cold front. Now, this is a relatively moisture-starved cold front. May squeeze out a couple of light sprinkles or showers, not expecting much. But the big story is going to be, well, high pressure through the weekend and even drier air settling on in. So if you thought this week has been on the dry side, which it has, and it's been great, even drier air is on the way as dew points will continue to stay in the 40s and likely the case through much of next week. So next week's going to be even drier, but it doesn't stop there. It's also going to be even cooler. Big trough comes on through. And that trough is going to help to draw in that drier and cooler air from Canada. So when you look ahead as this trough comes on in temperature-wise, well, colder air. By Monday morning, colder air resides just to our north. Look at these temperatures Monday morning. We're going to be in the 30s and 40s to our north. We start off in the mid-40s on Monday, but, well, it's only going to get colder because as we get into our Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we're talking upper 30s to low 40s and likely to see our first frost advisory, maybe across the Cumberland Plateau or upper East Tennessee, maybe in the valley locations as well. And high temperatures will fall as well. So Sunday, we're going to be at 81 ahead of the cold front. Cold front comes on through, draws in the cooler and drier air mass, and it is going to feel, well, rather chilly for sure. But it doesn't last long. A little bit of a warm-up is on the way as we get towards the end of the month, 19th through the 25th. Not a lot of rainfall, as I mentioned, over the next 7 days, so maybe squeeze out a little bit of rain with that cold front Sunday into our Monday. So giving it the big goose egg once again for rain chances and likely the case as we head through the middle and latter part of the month. Per the Climate Prediction Center, we are going to be trending below average. Here are your 7-day forecasts. Again, enjoy the weekend. A gradual warming trend all the way through Sunday, and then the bottom drops out as we get into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday of next week. And, of course, you can always check in on the latest forecast, current 7 days, by yours truly with the East Tennessee Weather app. Just download it today. Go to the App Store and search East TN Weather, all one word. All right, well, we sure hope you have a great day. Again, a great view of the northern lights around East Tennessee. I've got a lot of photos to choose from, as so many of you have posted those on social media. Have a great day. Your next weather update's coming up at noon and then 6 o'clock here tonight as we continue to prepare for the upcoming weekend.